Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna make egg fried rice. Let's get started! 안녕 친구들, are you guys ready to cook? Today in Kwon's Corner, we're gonna cover one of the simplest, easiest recipe in the world. Egg fried rice. Lately, I've been watching Uncle Roger critiquing different people egg fried rice recipes. And I want to submit my recipe to the competition. I think I can win cause this recipe is really good and still simple. So let's get started! To get started, we're gonna prepare our vegetable first. So first, get one green onion and slice thinly. And put to the side. Next, we need 2 spicy pepper. And if you don't like spicy pepper, you can definitely skip it. But since we're gonna fry the rice, adding spicy pepper give the fried rice the freshness and make the dish even more delicious. So feel free to skip it, but I recommend you to put non-spicy pepper or any fresh vegetable. So cut the stem and slice thinly and put to the side. Next, we're gonna add one of the Koreans' favorite ingredient, spam. I know some of you guys think spam is disgusting, but try it with the fried rice. It goes super well and you will never think spam is disgusting. I will change your life. Try it. It's so good. So get about 100 grams of spam, like this much. Cut it in half and quarters and cubes. You can make bigger cube or smaller cube. It all depends on you, but I think 1 centimeter cube is the perfect size. So put to the side. Next, we need about 200 grams of white rice. When you're making fried rice, don't use the freshly cooked rice. Use the leftover rice or rice that you kept in the freezer. If you're using freshly cooked rice, it will get stuck more easily and harder to cook the rice evenly. So I'm gonna add instant rice in the bowl without microwaving it. Add 3 eggs. A lot of fried rice recipes cook the egg first, but I'm gonna add the egg in the rice first. This way you can cover the rice in egg and it's gonna be super delicious. That's your Kwon's Corner tip. Make sure to break the rice and fully combine the rice and egg. Once you combine them well, add a pinch of salt. Mix it up and put to the side. That's all the prep work that we need to do. So now time to fry. So get a stove and turn your stove on low heat. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. And add all the green onion that we prepared. Make sure cook it in a low heat. We're gonna flavor the oil with the green onion. If you cook it in a high heat, it will burn the green onion and make it bitter, so make sure to lower your heat. 아, 파 냄새 난다. It smells super good. I really love the smell of green onion. Once you cook it for about 2 minutes, we're gonna add our spam and all the spicy pepper. And turn your stove to medium-low. After cooking for 2 minutes, we're gonna add our rice. And once you add rice, set your stove to high or medium-high, depends on how strong your stove is. And mix it well. When I was young, my mom didn't really cook egg fried rice for me. She usually made kimchi fried rice with the ketchup because I couldn't eat spicy food when I was young. Or she made pork belly fried rice. And if you guys want me to cover it, you can comment down below. That was weird. What? You know, I gotta clean it. Uncle Roger hired
professional cleaner, but I don't have a professional cleaner. Uncle Roger said in his house he do it carefully because he gotta clean it. Okay, hi.
Once your rice is all separated, we're gonna add a half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of MSG. Some people think MSG is not good for your health. The Ministry of Food and Drug in Korea say it's harmless, so feel free to add it or skip it. But adding MSG will make the fried rice really delicious. So if you want to make it super delicious, make sure add it. Uncle Roger say you can never have too much MSG. I totally agree with him. Once you mix it well, have a taste. Tastes super good. But I want to make it a little saltier. So I'm gonna add a little pinch of the salt and mix it well. Don't add more soy sauce. If you add more soy sauce, the fried rice will not be yellow like this. It will turn brown or a little dark. So it won't be as pretty. So adjust your flavor with salt, not soy sauce. So once you adjust it, turn your stove off. So get a bowl and add your fried rice and make sure to press it hard. And get a serving dish and put it on top and flip it. Ta-da! That's it! Our Kwon's Corner egg fried rice is all ready to eat. Eating time! Let's sit. Oh, smells super good. Oh my god, I really love it. Super good. The texture of the rice is perfect. Like every single rice is cooked perfectly and it's separately. So it's like a 뭐라 그러지? 꼬들꼬들, 고슬고슬. You know, like it's so toasted and tastes good. And since I mixed the egg and the rice first, all of the rice suck up the egg flavor. It tastes super good. I think Spam is like a cheat code. I think Spam tastes almost like a bacon, but since Spam is thicker and softer, it's more like a buttery. I think no one can resist the Spam. It's super good. If you like bacon, you should definitely try to add Spam. It's super good. Even though I add 2 spicy pepper, 청양고추, spiciest pepper in Korea, it's not that spicy since we pan fried it first. It adds a really nice freshness that complements the Spam. 맛있다. And I think adding MSG makes this dish so much better. It's so umami and I really love this. So even if you don't usually eat MSG, you should give it a try. That's it for today's episode and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button. That will help my channel a lot. What time is it? Time to announce 친구 of the week. So 친구 of the week is Shanette. Shanette made my bibimbap recipe and it looked really good. I hope you enjoy it. Keep cooking delicious food and if you're cooking my food, please tag me. Thank you to my Patreon, Mekanom and Krista, Jackie, Nancy, Samantha, Shanette, Miss Cheshire, Spencer, Gia, Joy, Sue, Lexi, Mr. and Mrs. Gavin. Thank you so much for helping me to make bigger and better contents. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. If you have any requests, please comment down below. See you next week. 안녕.